Good morning, Kestrels. Let's going to do our MOT of today. So we are going to first correct yesterday's one when we were talking about multiples. Multiples are all those numbers that are a product, so all those answers of a multiplication. So if you get 3, all the answers that you get when you times 3 by another number, it will be multiples of 3. So that is our first example. You had to find multiples of 3. And I ask you to try to find the three multiples of each. So most of you have done it in order. If you haven't, it's fine because I have corrected anyway. But if you have, that's what I'm going to do. I will do times 1, times 2, times 3, and maybe times 4 if you have gone straight into times 2. Okay, so let's do it. Get your pen. The first one, it will be 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. So again, I'm going to go up to 4 in case you didn't want to count 1, because that will be all the time the same, wouldn't it? Because we know that if we time it by 1, we'll get the same. So I'm going to go up to 4 in case. Right, 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. Right, let's going to go for my next one, 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48. Okay? And let's going to go to 15, multiples of 15. 15, 30, 45, 60. And then I go to my 50s, 50, 100, 150, 200. Okay? Right, quite simple, really easy to find multiples of a number, isn't it? If we know our timetables, or doubling it, because I was up here, I was just doubling 15, 30, I know that 2 15s is 30, here absolutely doubling, 50 at 50, I know that is 100, 100 at 50, okay? Right, today for your MOT, today is the 14th of the 1st, of the 1st of the 21st. We are going to be looking on our MOT, we are going to do fluent in 5. And again, we are going to be looking at 5 exercises that include some operations that we have been practicing previously, like subtraction, division, multiplication, maybe fractions, and you need to answer them and we will correct it on Friday. Right, let me see. The first exercise that I want you to do is, and if you can do it mentally, it's brilliant. If you cannot, show me your method, it's fine. 80 times 50. We've been doing it recently, so you should know how to work out this. Number 2, I want you to do 600 add 800. Number 3, I want you to divide, and I'm going to do the bus stop because the other day you had some of you struggle with division. So I'm going to show you the bus stop, and I want you to try to use the bus stop, okay? Be careful because the answer will have a remainder. Number 4, can you try to do mentally 54 at 35? Of course you should. And the last one, number 5, can you do 8,436 at 1,387? If you cannot do it, that's it. If you cannot do it mentally, this one, because you will need to regroup, can you please try to do it jotting instead of in a column method? If you cannot do it jotting, just do it in a column method, okay? Right, we will correct it tomorrow. Good luck. Adios.